Hello everyone. Today in this class we will be talking about Yajapurusha Adhyayas, Agra Prakarna and 84 types of asavas. So these two topics are very important topic. It's a very vast topic and very important topic. Usually the Agra Prakarna is commonly seen when they ask in the university exams as well as internals. So Agraprakarna talks about 156 most important things. Like there will be many things out of that, which is the most important things in particular entity is being told by Agraprakarna. So it is advised to by heart the names and the usage of all these 153 entities. But if not, at least some important prakarnas if you are able to understand and by heart. It will be a very helpful for your exam purpose as well as for your clinical practice. So without wasting much time, we will see the prakarnas in detail. So the first prakarna is Anna. Anna is best for sustaining of life or Vrittikara. Next is Udaka. Udaka is best used for Ashwasakara or best among the Ashwasa Dravyas. There are many Ashwasakara Dravyas, out of that Udaka is best. Like that you have to take. Okay. Then you have Sura. Sura is Ramahara. Shira. Shira is Jivaniya. Mamsa is Brahmana. Mamsarasa is Tarpana. Lavana is Ruchikara or best among Ruchikara. Amlarasa is Hridya. Kukata Mamsa is Belya. Nakraredas or the semen of the crocodile, it is Vrishya. Madhu is Leshma Pitta Prasamana or which subsides Kapha and Pitta. Ghrita is Vata Pitta Prasamana. Tilataila is Vata Sleshma Prasamana. Vamana is Sleshma Hara. Virechana is Pitta Hara. Basti is Vatahara or best among Vataharas. Swedana is Mardhavakara or best Mardhavakara is Swedana. Vyayama is Tairyakara or brings about firmness and stability to the body. Chara is Pumsatva Upaghatakara, like it impairs impotency or it causes impotence in the patient. If somebody eats chara for a long period of time, it causes pumsavana or pumsatva or impotency. And Tinduka is Annadrava Ruchikara or it adheres or it adds taste to that of non-dietetic food articles. Then unripe Kapitha is a fruit. It is produce harmful effect to the throat, akandhyagnam, or provides some irritation to the throat. Then ghee of sheep milk, aviga sarpihi, sheep milk sarpi. It produces bad effect on the hridaya or ahridyakara. Then coming to ajat shira or milk of goat, that is produce wholesome and galactogen effect and causes constipation and raktapitta. That is effect of ajat shira. Then sheep milk avit can cause sleshma pitta janana or increases the sleshma and pitta in the body. Or the best action of avit is causes sleshma and pitta in the body. Mahisha Chira is Swapna Janana. Then Mandaka Dadi is Dadi which is not properly formed. It is Abhishyandakara or it causes the obstruction of the channels of circulation. Okay. Then food prepared of boiled job steer or Gaurike Gaveduka. Gaveduka is Karshikara or it causes emaciation or depletion of the tissues. Then food prepared by boiling Uddalaka can cause drying or reduces anxious element of the body. Virukshaniyam, it causes dryness in the body. Ikshu or sugarcane, it is Mutra Jananam, it produces Mutra in the body. Yava can causes Purisha Jananam, remember it is Purisha Jananam. Purisha Jananam is causes fecus or increases the fecus content of in the body. Then Jambu is Vata Then Shashkuli is Sleshma Pitta Janana. Kulatha is Amla Pitta Janana. Masha is Sleshma Pitta Janana. Then Madana is Madana Phala, what we use for our Vamana Virajana. It is Vamana Astapana Anuvasana Prayogina. It is used for Vamana as well as Astapana Basti and Anuvasana Basti. Trivrit is Shukra Virajana. Aragvada is Mrudu Virajana. It is not Shukra, it is Sukha Virajana. It is Mrudu Virajana is Aragvada. Snuhi is Tikshna Virajana. So this is the sequence how it is. Trivrit causes mild purgation or easy purgation. Aragvada causes mild purgation. And Snuhi causes severe purgation. Okay. Apamarga Shiro Virajana. Vidanga Krimigna. Vidanga is helpful in removing the krimis. It is best among Krimihara Dravyas. Okay. Then Shirisha is Vishagna. It removes the toxicity. Antidote. Khadira is cures obstinate skin diseases including leprosy, or Pushtagna. It removes the skin disorders or helps in treating skin diseases. Rasna is Vatahara. Amlaka is Vayasthapana. Haritaki is Pathya. Eranda is Vrishya Vatahara, or it increases virility as well as elevates the vata. Both effect is there for Eranda Mula. Pippali Mula is Deepaniya, Pachaniya, Anna Prashamana. It causes Anaha Prashamana. It causes Deepana, it causes Pachana, and it reduces the Anaha in the body. Root of Chitraka or Chitraka Mula is Deepaniya, Pachaniya, Gudashoda, Arshor Mula Haranam. It removes Arshas, it cures Arshas. It also causes Gudashula or pain in the anal region. Pushkara Mula is Hikka, Shwasa, Prana, Parsha Shula Haranam. It removes hiccups, Shwasa, Kasa, and Parsha Shula Harana. It removes the pain in the side of the flanks. Okay. Then Musta is Sangrahi, or it causes astringent effect, means Grahana or reabsorption of the water from the colons. And Deepani and Pachaniya, it promotes digestion and carmination. Okay, that is the effect of Musta. Udichi is produces cooling effect, promotes digestion and carminative, cures vomiting and diarrhea. Okay. Nirvapanna, Deepaniya, Pachaniya, Chardi, Atisara Harana. Shonaka is Sangrahika, or again it causes astringent effect. Astringent effect, you please take it as something that is causing reabsorption of the water from the sigmoid colon and all those places. Okay, so it makes the stool to be more hard, or it reduces the loose stools. That is called as Sangrahi. Okay, digestive stimulant or Pachaniya and Deepaniya in effect. Ananta is something Sangrahi, Rakta Pitta Prasavana. Guduchi is Sangrahika, Vatahara, and Deepaniya, Sleshma Shonita, Vibandha Prashamanam. It cures Sleshma, it cures Shonita, and Vibandha Prashamanam. Okay, produces any kind of obstruction to all these things. Bilva is Sangrahika, Deepaniya, Vata Kapha Prashamana. Ativisha is Deepaniya, Pachaniya, Sangrahi, Sarvadosha Haranam. Then pollens of Utpala, Kumutta, Padma, etc. They are best in using Sangrahi effect as well as Kapha Pitta Prashamana. Duralabha is Pitta Sleshma Prashamana. Priyangu is Shonita Pitta Yoga Prashamana or Pittadi Yoga Prashamana. Kudaja is something that is Sleshma Pitta Rekta Sangrahiko Prashamanam. So it effect in all these things. It causes Sangrahi and Kapha, Pitta and Rekta. All the things it subsides. That is Kudaja. Then coming to Kashmiri, it is Rakta Sangrahika, Rakta Pitta Prasamana, or it stops bleeding, and it is also very good in used in Rakta Pitta. Prashnaparni is again Vrishya in nature. Sangrahika, Vataharanam, Deepaniyam, and Vrishyam, or increase the aphrodisiac strength. Okay. Then again Shalaparni is of Vrishya, Sarvadosha Harana. Bala is Sangrahika, having astringent effect, promotes strength, and cures vata. Sangrahika Poshananam, it improves the strength. Okay. Gokshura, it is Mutrakritsha Anilaharanam. And Hingu is Chedana Deepana Anulomaka Vata Kapha Prashamananam. Amlavedas is Bhedya Deepani Anulomaka Vata Sleshma Harana. Yavashuka is something that is Ramsana, Pachana and Arshagna in nature. Then habitual use of buttermilk can cure Grahani, it can cure edema, piles, constipation. Then Mamsarasa Nityabhyasa can cures Grahani or constipation and piles. Like that, many other things are told. Like Madhuka is best among what do you say, Varna Virajanam, or Vayu is best among something that is used for providing restoration of life, or Saknya, Prana Saknya Pradhanam, something like that. So I'm not going through all of this. I think my important things have been told. So please go through these slides and get to know what are the other important what do you say, Agra Prakarnas. So it's better to read it or by heart it. At least go through it once to understand these things in general, because these are very helpful while you are going for your treatment also. Okay. So it is, if I keep on talking, it will go for another hour or two. So I'm not reading all those things. I have made send you the slides also for this. Please go through it. Other than that, there are 84 types of asavas have also been told in this chapter. So that is the uh, plant or the area of the plant with which that asava is being manufactured. With that, they have classified these 84 types of asavas. So the first one is called as dhanya asava. Dhanya asava is an asava prepared with the grains or dhanyas. Okay, so mainly the dhanyas are made into Sura, Sauviraka, Tushodaka, Maireya, Medaka, and Dhanyamala. These are the 6 dhanyasavas that is being explained by Acharya Charaka. Only these 6 dhanyasavas are present. Then next is Phalasava, the category of asava where the fruits are prepared. I mean, fruits are used to prepare the asava. They are Drakshasava, Kharjura, Kashmirya, Dhanvana, then Rajadhana, Parushaka, Abhaya, Amlaka, Mrigalindika, Jambu, Kapitha, Kuvala, Padera, then Karkendu, Pilu, Priyala, Panasa, Negroda, Ashwatha, Plaksha, then Kapitha, Udumbara, Ajamoda, Sringataka, and Sringika. There are 26 fruits used for making Palasavas. Next is Moolasava. Moolasava is used in Vidarigandha, Ashwagandha, then Krishnagandha, Shatavari, Shyama, Trivrat, Dandi, Dravanti, Bilva, Eranda, and Chitraka. There are 11 Moolasavas, or the root is used for manufacturing the asavas. Then there is Sarasava. Sarasava means Sara or Nityasa of this plant is used, like Shala, Priyanka, Ashwakarna, Chandana, Syandhana, Khadira, Kadara, Saptaparna, Arjuna, Asana, Arimeda, Tinduka, Kiniki, Shyami, Shundi, Shimshipa, Shirisha, Vanajula, and then Dhanavena and Madhuka. The Sara or the extract of this plant is used in manufacturing the asavas. Next is Pushpasavas. Pushpasava means a flower is taken. Padma, Utpala, Nilini, Kumuda, then Sangandika, Pundarika, Sattaparna, Madhuka, Priyangu, and Dhataki is used for manufacturing asava. There are 10 Pushpasavas. And Kandasavas, or the stem is used in manufacturing asava. Kandekshu, Ikshuvalika, Pundarika are used for the stems of these plants are used for manufacturing the asavas. Patrasava, leaf is used of Patola and Padaka. Their leaf is used for manufacturing the asava. Twakasava, the skin is used in Tilvaka, Lodra, Yelavalluka, and Karamuka. In the skin of this bark of the tree is used for 4 Twakasavas are there. And last one is Sharkara Asava, where the sugar is the only ingredient which is used for manufacturing this asava. So total there is 86 asavas are mentioned in Charaka Yajnapurushayam Adhyayam. So with this I conclude the talk for today. Please go through the slides so that you will understand what are the agras in each category, and it is very important to by heart those agras. As time permits, you go through it by heart it up. Thank you very much.